With so many collaborative whiteboard online tools out there, one of the lecturers asked me which my favorite tool is. I introduced her to Microsoft Whiteboard. The main reason being that students are often already signed into Microsoft 365, so there is no need for additional platform logins. And the Whiteboard tool comes with some amazing templates. And what I really like is that a lot of the templates are actually geared towards health professions education or higher education in general. For example, she was wanting to improve her students' collaborative writing skills. Specifically, how do they create an argument together as a group? So I showed her the persuasive planning template that is built in that allows the students to think about the different arguments that they are making and then write collaboratively. So let me show you how to use a template in Microsoft Whiteboard. So the first thing to do is to log into Office 365 and click on the ellipses in the top left-hand corner. As you scroll down, you will see the Whiteboard tool on the left, and by clicking in that, it'll open up the Whiteboard application in Microsoft. You can see I've already got a few whiteboards on the go, but I'm going to click on a new whiteboard. And this essentially gives me a blank whiteboard with no content in it, but immediately it pops up with the template options. And I'm going to look at the learning tab. And you can see there's a number of different template types in the learning tab. As you click into it, you can preview each template to see whether or not it'll suit your needs. It also gives you a template summary at the bottom. So that's one example. But as you can see, there are many templates available. You simply click on the template that you want. I'm going to put this template in. So this is the persuasive template. It does give the students then instructions on what is expected in each component. I want to actually show you the one that I did with this lecturer to develop augmentation skills in group writing with her students. So clicking into the board, you'll see that I have 2 of the persuasive argument templates already in the board, and it's quite easy to just simply copy and paste another template over so that you have multiple templates in a single workspace. And then you can relabel each of the templates. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so that it's easy to see, and your students will then be able to zoom in to their own template. I'm going to make this one a little bit more identifiable. I've just clicked on the heading and I'm changing the font color to red so the red group knows that it's their group, and I'm bolding the text. And I'm going to do the same with the green group. Make it green and ensure that this text is also bold. That way there's a visual cue as to who's in which group and where they're supposed to be working. It's very easy to modify the templates. You can take out or add components and pieces to the templates that you would prefer, and then you simply share it with the students. So in the top right hand corner, there's the share this whiteboard icon, and when you open it up, it allows you to either add specific students' names, or if you click on the eye with the drop down, you can swap it to the edit mode. That's quite important because obviously you want the students to be editing the whiteboard. You then simply copy the link and you can paste it into their virtual learning environment or into a Teams channel. And if you're in the middle of a Teams meeting, you can actually add the whiteboard as a tab at the top of the Teams meeting. So it's easy for all the students that are in the meeting to access that particular whiteboard. So give the whiteboard templates a try, let me know what you think of them, and we'll bring you another app next week.